Not all hoses are built for pressure, heat and movement, but this one is. A metal braided hose is a flexible inner hose, reinforced with a stainless steel outer braid for added strength and protection against pressure, heat and wear, all while still allowing flexibility where it's needed. They're used where standard hoses would fail, such as heating and plumbing systems like boilers and pumps, ventilation and air conditioning systems to handle movement and expansion, industrial setups with higher pressure and temperature, and anywhere vibration could damage rigid pipework. Connecting a metal braided hose is straightforward, but it needs to be done right. First, check the correct size and fitting type, ensuring it's suitable for the pressure and temperature of your system. Depending on the fitting, you may need to screw the fittings together, tighten a compression nut, or bolt a flange with a gasket in place to create a secure, leak-free connection. Remember while doing this to avoid twisting the hose itself. Additionally, don't over-tighten as this can damage the fittings. It's that simple. When reliability matters, metal braided hoses are built to handle it. Get yours today at pipestock.com.